Hello guys, today I will show you how to set up Java on your laptop or desktop, whatever you have. Okay, let's see. First of all, open your browser, then type JDK, then click on the first link, go there. Here you can find the download link so that you can download from there. So read the instruction, then do okay. Here, yeah, we got the link. Here you have to click download, click on it, then here you will find get Java for desktop application. Click on download Java, then here you will find 64-bit for download. Here you have to click on download Java, click on it. Here you have to select the local disk so that it can locate. Here you can create a folder. I put it Java, then you have to open it, then do save, and it's downloading. It will take a couple of minutes. It depends on your broadband, how speed is this. Yeah, it's downloaded. Then here you have to do is here, if I command Java version, here it will say that Java is not recognized because I don't set up now. Here go to and double click on it. Here you have to do okay, then here install. It's working. And it's done. Now you have to open your command line. You have to type cmd, then here we'll open the java minus minus version. This may work. If it doesn't work, it is, then you have to type java minus version. So yeah, it's done. Here you see java version 1.8.391, and it's done. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.